Echoes of Eternity. Humanity's epic journey to the edge of the universe and beyond. Ever find yourself gazing up at the night sky, wondering what's out there? From the tiniest flicker of curiosity to the grandest quests across the stars, humanity has always been driven to reach beyond the confines of our world. Today, let's embark on an epic journey to the edge of the universe and beyond. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Rocket, the dawn of curiosity. Imagine this. Thousands of years ago, our ancestors sat around campfires, looking up at the same stars we see tonight. They saw patterns in the stars, creating constellations and weaving myths about gods, heroes, and monsters. Milky Way. Think about structures like Stonehenge or the pyramids of Giza. These weren't just impressive feats of engineering, they were aligned with celestial bodies. Ancient people were hardcore skywatchers. They used the stars to mark seasons, navigate, and connect with something greater than themselves. Birth of astronomy. Fast forward, and we've got early astronomers like Hipparchus and Ptolemy mapping the heavens with nothing but their eyes and primitive instruments. At first, we thought Earth was the center of everything. But then came Copernicus, Galileo, and Kepler, the game changers. They suggested, hey guys, maybe we're not the center of the universe. Maybe we revolve around the sun. Sun face mind blown. Collision. This heliocentric model was a revolutionary idea that shook the foundation of science and religion at the time. Enlightenment and exploration. Enter the telescope, thanks to Galileo. We saw moons orbiting Jupiter, the rings of Saturn, and countless stars invisible to the naked eye. During the age of exploration, sailors navigated uncharted waters using the stars. Celestial navigation was crucial for voyages across vast oceans. Star charts became as important as maps of the Earth. We were no longer just exploring our planet but also mapping the skies. Unlocking cosmic secrets. Then along came Isaac Newton, with his laws of motion and universal gravitation. He explained why apples fall from trees and why planets orbit the sun. Gravity. It's not just a good idea, it's the law. Red apple. We started discovering new planets like Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Though Pluto got demoted, but that's another story. With spectroscopy, scientists could analyze starlight to determine the chemical composition of stars. It's like cosmic forensics. Magnifying glass. The Einstein revolution. Now, let's talk about Einstein, probably the only physicist to become a pop culture icon. Glowing star. His theories of relativity introduced concepts like space-time, showing that space and time are interconnected. Gravity isn't just a force pulling objects but is actually the warping of space-time by mass. It explained phenomena like the bending of light around massive objects, gravitational lensing, and laid the groundwork for understanding black holes. Einstein's work took us deeper into the fabric of the universe than ever before. The expanding universe. In the 1920s, Edwin Hubble made a groundbreaking discovery: the universe is expanding. By observing the redshift of distant galaxies, he found they were moving away from us. It's like baking raisin bread. The raisins, galaxies, move apart as the dough, space, expands. Bread. This led to the Big Bang Theory, the idea that the universe began from an incredibly hot and dense state and has been expanding ever since. The discovery of the cosmic microwave background radiation in the 1960s provided strong evidence for this theory. The space age. The launch of Sputnik in 1957 by the Soviet Union kicked off the space age. We went from looking at the stars to actually reaching for them. Just a decade later, in 1969, Neil Armstrong set foot on the moon, declaring, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind." Full Moon Man astronaut. Unmanned missions like the Voyager probes have ventured to the outer planets and beyond, sending back stunning images and invaluable data. Voyager 1 is now in interstellar space, a piece of human technology cruising between the stars. Peering deeper into space. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, has given us breathtaking views of the universe. From the pillars of creation to distant galaxies billions of light years away, Hubble has expanded our cosmic horizons. It's like having a front row seat to the greatest show ever. Face mask. We've discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. Using methods like the transit technique, where we observe dips in starlight as a planet passes in front, we've found worlds that could potentially harbor life. Are we alone? Maybe not. Globe alien. The invisible universe. Turns out, most of the universe is made up of stuff we can't even see: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter holds galaxies together, while dark energy is driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. It's like knowing there's something in the fridge because the door is open, but you can't quite see what it is. Man detective. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time. These ripples in space-time were caused by massive black holes colliding. It's like throwing a stone in a pond and watching the ripples spread out. And let's not forget black holes themselves. In 2019, we captured the first ever image of a black hole's event horizon. That fuzzy orange ring was a monumental achievement, showing us one of the universe's most mysterious objects. Theoretical frontiers. Now we're venturing into even crazier territory. Some scientists propose the multiverse theory, multiple universes existing parallel to ours. Imagine infinite versions of you, each making different choices. It's like a cosmic choose-your-own adventure. Books. String theory and quantum mechanics delve into the fabric of reality itself. They suggest that the smallest particles are actually tiny vibrating strings and that particles can exist in multiple states at once. It's like the universe is playing quantum hide and seek. Shushing face. Humanity's future in space. So what's next for us? Mars is the big goal on the horizon. Companies like SpaceX are working on making human colonization of Mars a reality. Can you imagine being a Martian? Space tourism is becoming less of a fantasy and more of a reality. Companies are already sending civilians into space, albeit very, very rich civilians. But hey, every new technology starts out expensive. Ethical and philosophical considerations. All this exploration brings up some heavy questions. The Fermi paradox asks, if there's intelligent life out there, why haven't we found it? Are we alone, or is the universe teeming with life that's just really good at hiding? Should we terraform other planets? What if there's microbial life there? And let's not forget about space junk. Satellite debris orbiting Earth poses risks for future missions. We need to clean up after ourselves. Conclusion. From ancient stargazers to modern astrophysicists, our journey through the cosmos has been nothing short of extraordinary. The echoes of eternity resonate within us, driving us to explore, discover, and understand. Shooting star. The universe is vast, mysterious, and full of wonders we can scarcely imagine. But every discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. So, let's keep reaching for the stars, because who knows what we might find. Thanks for joining me on this incredible journey. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more cosmic content, and drop a comment below about what fascinates you most about the universe. Until next time, keep looking up. Milky Way sparkles.